NASA officially confirmed
An alien ship detected in the solar system, not alone in the universe.
There's a signal coming right from the center of the Milky Way galaxy that's got astronomers stumped.
Hold up, guys, as we dive into another one of Elon Musk's space mysteries. The billionaire has yet again spread unrest with news that has everyone scratching their head. But what if, amidst the emptiness of space, there's a terrifying secret lurking in the dark? A secret that could change everything we know about survival beyond Earth. Well, join me as I uncover the terrifying discoveries made by Elon Musk's Space Voyager, revealing a deadly threat in space that might just be our downfall.
I mean, my mind is a storm. I don't think most people would want to be me.
Are you ready to take a ride through the unknown? Let's go. Number 1. The Unveiling. It all began with the launch of NASA's Voyager mission, spacecraft that was sent into space even before some of us were born. Not one, but 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The launch of this mission was the beginning of a space exploration mission designed to explore far beyond where humanity had ever dared to go. But guess what? Not only did the tiny probes go into space to do what they were designed to, they continued going farther into deep space to explore things beyond human comprehension. Like and subscribe right now, and you'll have amazing luck for the rest of the week. NASA's Voyager was set to explore the most distant and undetectable corners of space, but no one expected it to return with a discovery that would send shivers down the spine of every scientist and space freak. If you're wondering what it came back with, hold on, we're just getting started. But what is beyond me?
Which has come from other stars that blew up. And so we'll have a chance with that instrument to actually measure the wind for the first time directly.
Is that while we still have a lot to explore on Earth itself, why poke our noses into the darkness of space? I mean, we have literally only discovered about 1% of the oceans and maybe a few percent of all the forests and the wildlife on Earth. And yet, these billionaires just wake up and decide to launch a new space mission every week. Why? Number 2, strange signals from the abyss. Anyhow, after the launch of the Voyager mission, years have passed by, and everything went according to the plan. Voyager has been transmitting data back to Earth as expected, exploring the outer limits of the solar system and even beyond. For years, it has been giving us all mind-blowing information about our solar system, its planets, and other things we never knew of. In fact, it was the same Voyager through which we discovered Jupiter's strange environment and Saturn's rings. But now, all of a sudden, something strange happened.
There's a signal coming right from the center of the Milky Way galaxy that's got astronomers stumped.
According to the billionaire space fanatic Elon Musk, the Voyager has started picking up odd signals. Now, the crazy part about the said information is that these signals aren't coming from any known planet or star. These aren't your average radio waves.
Radio waves, just like light waves, are part of the electromagnetic spectrum.
Or cosmic background noise. These signals seem deliberate, almost like a message. But from who or what? Scientists at work can't figure it out. The patterns are unlike anything they had seen before. They are precise, as if they are meant to be decoded, and so the mystery deepens. But once again, there are various questions that arise here. Is there something that only Elon Musk knows about? What does he know about space and the outer world that we do not? Number 3, the source, a dark nebula. Coming back to the topic. So, in case you are all wondering where those strange signals are coming from, those ghostly signals are traced to a region of space previously considered harmless, a dark nebula that was millions of light years away, where no human-made spacecraft had ever ventured. Apparently, it seems like any other patch of cosmic dust and gas, but appearances can be deceiving, no? What if it's just the years-old Voyager's parts malfunctioning, and so its communication with Earth became unstable? In the meanwhile, scientists can only sit back and wonder as their connection with the spacecraft flickers and then suddenly goes completely dark. It seems as if something inside the nebula is interfering with the spacecraft's systems. But whatever it is, it really is powerful enough to disrupt technology. Or maybe the technology is old enough now. But then again, what is this new threat about? Why did we never find anything like this ever before? It's pretty confusing. Number 4, the return of Voyager. One of the theories also states that maybe the Voyager is trying to come back to Earth. Either this, or it is slowly deteriorating and about to vanish in space. Whatever it is, what it just sent back is beyond anything we could have imagined. The spacecraft had captured strange, terrifying images of what lay beyond the dark nebula. These images showed enormous structures, unlike any asteroid or planet we've ever seen. They seem unreal. They are vast, metallic, and strangely symmetrical. But the most horrifying part is, they are moving. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine this: massive objects drifting ominously through space and heading straight toward us. No idea if all of this is just fabrication or if it is Musk really trying to save us from something unknown. It might be that he has already sensed the danger that is yet to come. Number 5. Aliens or something worse. Speaking about those huge mysterious objects caught behind the nebula, everyone has been thinking about what those objects could really be. While the scientists did realize that they are far too large and structured to be mere remnants of a celestial collision, their origin still remains a question. The fact that we are not alone in the vast universe might be a myth to some, but some say that there really are some sort of creatures out there in the dark, and not just one. We still do not know if it is aliens or something even more than that. But the point to ponder here is, why are they heading toward our solar system?
NASA officially confirms
An alien ship detected in the solar system, not alone in the universe.
And what's their purpose? Voyager's readings couldn't determine their exact composition, but there is something alarming about their formation. It looks like they are deliberately trying to hide their true nature. We can only wonder if they are the remnants of an ancient civilization, or are we dealing with something far more sinister? Number 6. Extreme radiation levels. And just when you thought it was over and the discovery of these objects wasn't alarming enough, Voyager detected something even more unsettling. Astronomers have recently detected fast radio bursts originating from a distant galaxy. These bursts are real and powerful energy pulses that we've only just started to understand. These aren't your average cosmic radiation. It is something much stronger, more intense, and lethal. With these levels of radiation, if these objects continued on their path toward Earth, the radiation alone could wreak havoc on our planet's atmosphere, and the consequences could be catastrophic. It could cause massive disruptions to communications satellite systems.
Giant balls of plasma go flying off the surface of the sun, and in those balls of plasma are contained these charged particles.
And potentially fatal effects on human life. They could be signals from advanced alien civilizations, or they may be something far worse. You never know. Maybe this is an unintended consequence of space invasion. But if you think about it, it can also be a deliberate attack or an attempt to invade. Number 7. The countdown begins. Before anyone has the time to decode all of the above-mentioned strange events, it has become a race against time. The mysterious objects are getting closer to Earth with each passing day, and at their current speed, they would enter our solar system in less than a year. And the terrifying truth is that we have no idea how to stop them. Scientists have scrambled to analyze Voyager's data and find a way to defend Earth. But how can they fight an enemy they don't even understand? They have no idea if these objects are a warning, a weapon, or something entirely beyond our understanding. Eventually, the fear of the unknown is taking over, casting a shadow over the future of humanity. Number 8. Another false alarm. Let's cool down for a while and think about nature's pattern. Do you all remember when 2012 was declared as the Earth's final year? There were movies made, documentaries released, and lots of news and warnings about a potential doomsday that would occur anytime in 2012. While 2012 came and passed, nothing really happened. Year after year, there were many such headlines that would spread unease throughout the globe. And as interesting as it gets, all of such claims have always been made by some sort of a space fanatic or a billionaire trying to control the Earth. And one such person in today's world is Mr. Musk. So I cannot help but wonder if this is just another series of catchy claims about our Earth finishing and all. Another false alarm that will just initiate another crazy social media cycle for a couple of days, and then boom, the said timeline passes and nothing happens. No idea what makes Mr. Musk come up with a crazy idea or revelations one after another. I think he just likes to grab some attention here and there, or maybe he just stays in the headlines somehow. Who knows? Number 9. SpaceX and NASA come together. Whatever we may think about Mr. Musk, the information we all know is still in the air, and there's no way to authenticate it either. So, just in case it is all true, there must be a plan B for Earth. So after a series of back-to-back crazy revelations from the Voyager, Elon Musk kinda knew that this was a threat that couldn't be handled alone. So he has joined hands with NASA in order to devise a plan to intercept and study these objects before they get any closer. Some of the leaked reports from their secret meeting state that Elon Musk has a challenging proposal, and here comes a crazy idea once again. He wants to launch a human-based mission to the dark nebula. I think he never really thought of who would volunteer for such a dangerous task, and more importantly, what would they find when they got there? The space we know of is fine, but I don't think so anyone sane enough will be willing to go into the extent of the dark nebula. In my humble opinion, Mr. Musk can try sending his beloved tech babies, the bots he has made. Isn't this a good idea, folks? Number 10. Musk's Revolutionary Defense Initiative. Coming to the part where Elon Musk thinks about us all, the man of the hour has a new defense plan. Elon Musk's new Revolutionary Defense Initiative aims to protect Earth from cosmic threats, such as asteroids, solar flares, and all these mysterious things trying to reach us. Combining the latest technologies developed by SpaceX and other Musk-led ventures, the initiative proposes building a global defense network of orbital shields and advanced detection systems. These shields, positioned strategically around the planet, would absorb or deflect potential dangers. And the best part about it is, these shields will not only safeguard both Earth, but also future Mars colonies. Musk envisions this initiative as humanity's first line of defense against the unpredictable dangers of space. He is ensuring the long-term survival of our species in the cosmos by introducing these well-crafted missions. Number 11. Solar shields. A new innovation. It isn't over yet. The billionaire doesn't just have one plan. He has a ton, maybe written somewhere in a secret diary. As the latest addition to his crazy thoughts, Elon Musk has hinted at another ambitious plan, the solar shields. In response to the latest threats, Elon Musk has proposed using solar-based technology to divert the planet.
They are actually announcing the development of a new defensive measure against solar flares. It's going to be called the Solar Shield.
The idea is to build a series of advanced solar shields that will be capable of absorbing or deflecting high levels of cosmic radiation, protecting Earth. Basically, these shields would act as Earth's defense system. These will be equipped with the most advanced technology known to man. But even this seems insignificant compared to the unknown threat we are about to face. Anyway, the mission is covered in secrecy, and the public is left without a trace of the true nature of the journey. Believe it or not, however, extreme curiosity is now spreading amongst the general public. However, one thing is clear: Elon Musk is pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and is determined to protect Earth from the unknown. Could it be that he is aware of something the rest of us have no knowledge about? Number 12. The false dawn. Is AI the real threat? Speaking of Mr. Musk's attempts to save the planet, ever wondered if it is all a carefully devised strategy? Elon Musk has been talking about making human beings a multi-planetary species for long enough. The billionaire is clearly obsessed with the idea of invading outer space and creating a life different from Earth in the Isles of Space. So when you think about it, maybe all of these claims are just stories to make us all think about it, while the real danger lies within the Earth. And the most terrifying threat isn't out there, but within our own technology. AI might evolve faster than we can control it. And just as Musk has warned time and again, the existential risk of AI could far outweigh any cosmic danger. In a shocking twist, maybe the very technology designed to explore the universe turns against us. Maybe Musk's AI brainchild will destroy our planet soon enough. And since Elon Musk himself has voiced concerns over whether AI will serve as humanity's greatest tool or its final downfall, one wonders if he already knows what's coming. Is this why he has been planning to leave Earth and settle somewhere in space? What really are his plans? One could only imagine. Number 13. A billionaire gamekeeper. Wait, what if all of this is not true? Let's keep all of this aside for a while and think about it. Do you not feel like Musk is a gamekeeper? And even if all the other billionaires are, isn't he strangely crazy? Why is he always chasing the unknown? Why is he so obsessed with the idea of exploring everything other than Earth, when clearly it's the Earth that needs our attention the most? What if everything that he has ever said about space and the outer Earth is a huge lie and is just a marketing gimmick? If you think of it, it could just be a way of igniting interest and increasing social media usage, which will eventually benefit him, right? What if Musk is all about creating hype and collecting capital? What if all the controversies are right? Guess we'll never know. Number 14. Elon Musk's warning. Space travel is our only hope. If we think about it, the Musk way, with all the threats from space, including rogue planets, gamma-ray bursts, and cosmic radiation storms, staying confined to Earth is similar to putting all our eggs in one basket. One catastrophic event could wipe us out, but Mars could be our lifeboat. SpaceX has been working around the clock to develop the Starship, and this aims for Musk's vision of millions of people living and working on Mars by the end of the century. It's not just about exploration, it's about survival. The Red Planet may be our best shot at ensuring that humanity doesn't just live, but thrives. The only problem of the hour now is, how will we make it in time for Mars? Let's just wait and watch if Elon Musk's visionary dream of an interplanetary species can save us from the terrifying threats that have been looming over us ever since. Number 15. The deadly silence. As terrifying as these cosmic threats are, perhaps the scariest thing of all is what we don't know yet. Space is vast, and for every threat we have identified, there are likely a dozen more lurking in the darkness, waiting to be discovered. The Voyager's journey has only scratched the tip of the iceberg. We never know what really lies deep beneath the surface. There could also be other forces at work, perhaps some sort of alien species we haven't yet encountered, or maybe it is a phenomenon we can't even comprehend. The Voyager's data suggests that space is far from the empty void we once thought it to be. Elon Musk himself has acknowledged that our understanding of the universe is still limited. We are most probably like children, playing in a vast, dangerous playground, unaware of the true magnitude of the forces at play. And in the depth of the eerie darkness and silence of the vast space, we can never be sure about the kind of forces present there unless we experience those ourselves. Number 16. The global response. While Elon Musk and his team at SpaceX are working tirelessly to address these cosmic dangers, there's another piece to the puzzle. Global cooperation is a must in order to survive anything that is a danger to Earth. The threats revealed by the Voyager are not just a concern for the United States or for SpaceX, they are a concern for all of humanity. Neither scientists alone can fight the unknown, nor can we fight without its help. As of now, Musk has already called for increased collaboration between nations. Projects like the International Space Station prove that we can work together, but to face the full scale of the threats ahead, we'll need even greater unity. The world will have to put aside all the political differences, economic rivalries, and national interests for the survival of our species. Musk remains hopeful, but time will tell if humanity can come together in the face of a common enemy, such as space itself. Number 17. Beyond the Voyager's reach. Coming back to the Voyager, as it continues its journey deeper into space, one question lingers in the minds of scientists. There must be something lying even beyond the Voyager's current reach. The data collected so far has unveiled unmatched dangers, but the farther we go, the less we know. If the Voyager continues to work like it has been, Who knows what new threats it may discover in the future? Beyond the reach of our most advanced technology, space still remains a frontier filled with unimaginable mystery. As Elon Musk looks toward the future, he often talks about preparing for the unknown. The Voyager's mission is far from over, and with every new piece of data, we get one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos.
One leading idea is that our sun emerged billions of years ago from a hot and heavily ionized region.
And how fragile that place might be. After all, just like Musk says, the Earth itself is a tiny speck of dust in the vastness of the universe. Number 18. The man behind the mission. Now, as we near the end of our journey through the Voyager's terrifying discoveries, it's time to turn our attention back to the man at the center of it all, Elon Musk. You can be a fan or a critic, but one thing that you cannot deny is that Mr. Musk is undoubtedly a visionary, a genius, and sometimes even a madman. Musk has dedicated his life to pushing humanity to new heights, both figuratively and literally. His dream of space exploration is driven by a deep concern for the future of humanity. In his interviews, he's spoken about his fear of unpredictable events leading to extinction, whether from asteroids, rogue planets, or even self-created threats like AI. His ventures like SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink are all connected by a singular vision to safeguard the future of the human race. So, while we might think he is a man full of controversies, we best believe that somewhere deep down, all he wants is a safe future for all of us. There are always two sides to a coin, after all, right? Number 19. Elon Musk's bold predictions. What comes next? Elon Musk is not just reacting to the threats the Voyager has uncovered. He's in fact predicting them. In 2021, Musk famously stated that he believes humanity faces existential risks that we're not fully prepared for. And as you can see, the Voyager's data has only validated those concerns. But Musk's vision goes beyond mere survival. By 2050, Musk believes we could have self-sustaining colonies on Mars, making humanity a two-planet species. Not only this, he aims to colonize multiple planets after we are done settling on Mars. He believes that there won't be just one, but many Earth-like planets all over the space, but man-made. He's talked about creating vast space habitats, asteroid mining stations, and even defending Earth from cosmic dangers. Some of these ideas may sound fictional today, but so did reusable rockets a decade ago, and now they're a reality. I don't know about you, but I am definitely afraid to live up to a time when we will have to migrate to Mars. Believe it or not, there is a reason we were made to live on and take care of Earth in the first place. Number 20. The Legacy of Voyager. There is no doubt in the countless efforts Musk has put into his ventures, and the success and evolution of technology that comes with those ventures. As we look to the future, the legacy of Elon Musk's Voyager mission will be felt for generations. It has done more than it was supposed to, and is still doing. Can't believe its years-old technology is still thriving. It might be remembered as a warning of the dangers that lurk in the cosmos, or as the spark that ignited humanity's push to explore, innovate, and conquer space. However, one thing is certain. Musk's work has changed the way we view space. No longer is it just a place of wonder and discovery. It is a battleground, a place of wonder and opportunity. The Voyager's discoveries serve as a reminder that while space offers infinite possibilities, it also poses unimaginable threats. Number 21. Elon Musk's ultimate vision. Humanity's destiny in the stars. Elon Musk often speaks about destiny. He believes that it is humanity's destiny to reach the stars, to become a spacefaring civilization. The Voyager's findings have only strengthened his resolve. Musk is more determined than ever to ensure that humanity not only survives, but thrives in the cosmic frontier. Musk envisions a future where humans are exploring new worlds, uncovering the mysteries of the universe, and building a legacy that will last for millennia.
So this is not, it's not just, well, this is what it might look like. This is what we plan to try to make it look like.
The threats in space may be terrifying, but to Elon Musk, they are also a challenge that he's more than ready to face. Because if we look back, even Earth was not what it looks like today. Decades ago, human beings had to face many challenges, generation after generation, to bring it to its present form. Number 22, the final countdown. As we conclude this journey, one thing is clear. The threats revealed by Elon Musk's Voyager are real and they are terrifying. But with visionaries like Musk leading the charge, humanity stands a chance at facing these cosmic dangers head-on. Whether it's by colonizing Mars, building a space shield, or developing technologies that protect us from the unknown, one thing is kinda certain. Well, maybe. Our future lies in the stars. And as chilling as it is, the countdown to survival has already begun. But with Musk at the helm, perhaps we can turn the greatest threats into our greatest triumphs. The universe may be vast and full of danger, but with courage, innovation, and a little bit of luck, we might just survive it. So, what do you think? Is this the end of the story, or just the beginning of something far more terrifying? Keep your eyes on the star, because you never know what might be watching back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.